And communities all across the continent reacted to the news of a previously unknown space object this morning.
Man, enough about the asteroid.
Yeah, that's a good call. Might be obsessing.
When did you start listening to Pangea this morning? I thought the goal is to not turn into dead.
I have my own reasons to stay informed. I'm on the debate team. I'm class president. And Dad could never pull off this outfit that I'm totally crushing. His silence is nice. You don't need to fill it. Definitely not.
Except you have something to say.
No. Well, hey, could I run something by you?
Fine.
So today, big day, class president's speech at the assembly. In light of the whole space rock, potential demise of civilization thing, my chosen theme feels off.
What's the theme?
Using this year to, make an impact.
And? Oh. Right. Impact.
I use it 542 times in a 1,000-word speech. I even had a section where I rhymed every sentence with impact.
Seriously, let it go.
No, I have to change it. Yeah, it's just too weird. Can I run some ideas by you? Please help me.
Fine. What do you got?
Okay, so this year I want us to burn bright, to streak across the sky like flaming trails of potential, ready to vaporize our obstacles upon entry.
Yeah, perfect. Go with that.
Wait. Really?
It's gonna be out of this world.
Wow.
Did I do it right?
I can't tell if I'm proud or scared. Good session. Seriously, please. You're so comfortable on stage, and I don't know how you do it, and I want to be that way.
Okay, here's what I'd suggest. You've gotta... let people in a bit. What if you just told the truth? How are you feeling about all of this?
It's not about me, though. I'm supposed to speak for the student body.
And you're better at doing that than you think. But let's say people are feeling as confused as you are. Coming in as if you know everything would be the worst thing you could do.
Thank you. You give pretty good advice sometimes.
Wow, I have never been to school this early.
You mean on time?
Well, good luck today.
Thanks. And you'll be there. I'll just focus on you and the audience.
Yeah. Assembly? I can't remember the last time I actually went to that.
See? It'll be a fun new thing for you. Plus, you'll get all the hot intel on senior picture day.
Woohoo!
What are you doing here? You being up this early feels wrong. Wait, blink twice if you're a mimic.
New year, new me.
Okay, but if you join debate club or something, I'm getting you some help.
Fair.
Okay, everybody. Lots of assembly energy happening right now. I kind of like it.
Oh, are they still doing that? I don't know. The whole apocalypse thing really puts talking about Pizza Fridays in a different light. I was just gonna go chill on the roof.
You are obsessed with going up there.
You're above and inside, on the outside. It's awesome.
LJ thinks we have talent.
Gosh, you think she could write a nice text for once?
What should I say back?
I mean, that will be there?
Wait, there's a GIF I think is perfect.
Not helpful. I think this means she's rooting for us? We're gonna get in?
Or she's telling us not to get our hopes up.
No way. She wouldn't bother with that. Emergency band meeting. We need a plan for the audition. The showcase is huge.
So, meeting on the roof?
Oh my gosh, get over the roof.
Perfect. Let's go.
Wait a minute, don't we have like a week till the audition?
Exactly.
You're gonna love the view up there.
Wow. Yeah, this is pretty great.
Right? Peaceful.
No thanks. I quit. My voice. Anyway, the bad news.
About the giant rock that's gonna kill us all? Yeah, we heard.
We need new songs for the audition.
Seriously though, I got like no sleep thanks to the news. What if it's real?
I mean, it's probably, definitely real.
So, like, it could be just as bad as people are saying.
They'd never even tell us if we were all toast.
Right? What if everything we're doing is for nothing? I just spent hours on homework when I could have been, I don't know, some fun bucket list thing.
Exactly. That's what we're doing. And we can still win Battle of the Bands, asteroid or not.
Really? Should we even practice at a time like this? Or should we throw off the shackles of capitalism and bound into a life of freedom and hedonistic self-indulgence?
Hell yeah, Trish.
Let's do the music thing, thanks. Which, again, is why we're up here. To talk about the songs.
So that'd be, what, 3 new ones? That's a lot, dude.
That's a lot. I have this project with Rosa and a test already happening in calculus, plus babysitting again, and my sister's birthday.
Please, guys, there's no worm drama without you. This is the only way to win.
What if the real winning was running away? Let's just play an old song in, like, a new way.
Ugh, they're so embarrassing.
Wow, okay, sorry. Yikes. Rude.
No, I didn't mean it like that. I just want to write about bigger things now.
Our old stuff is about big things. You could change some of it, I guess.
Works for me. Let us know when you're done.
Well, maybe we can all pick one at lunch.
Sure. Gotta go. To my locker, but in a shady way. Because I have a terrible secret today.
Oh boy. Trish was being weird, right? Before?
Was she? Are you okay? You've come into this year kinda intense with the band stuff. What's up?
The band is important. Why did she have to just leave? I said it was an emergency.
You did? And it is. To you.
So I was being weird. Shit. Sorry, it feels like we really have a chance.
I bet this would be a good spot to be if it hits.
The asteroid? I'd rather not spend my last moments at school, actually.
It's weird how everyone's acting like nothing is different. Like, to me, everything feels different now.
Even though it's just a maybe?
Yeah, I don't know. It's like once something may or may not happen, you can't stop thinking about it. And that's like the rest of my life all of a sudden.
We're going on tour with the band. You, me, Trish, a van with our name on the side. Nothing has changed.
The van would be pretty sick. So, you know how we all play Legends and Lore, right? An IDM?
Yeah, I'm joining this weekend, right?
You are. Yes. Anyway, I've been playing L&L since I was like 8 years old. I know the game better than anyone in this whole school. It sucks when the people you want to share it with aren't as interested. So, I get it, but I don't know if a lot of other people do.
Time to assemble.
Good luck with that. Catch me up on whatever I miss. About the yearbook, dance, or whatever.
You're not coming?
No. I gotta do some invoicing and some L&L planning. Wanna ditch with me?
Well, Trish isn't there, so.
Are you gonna go in, or...?
No, I'm fine here.
Makes perfect sense.
Yeah. Look at... Is it weird that they're friends now? Like... all that bug stuff? Yuck. What are the odds that two people would be so into all that?
Good morning. We have a quick announcement, and then we'll hear from our class president. Truly an inspiration to us all.
Yes, and hi, I'm Naomi, and I'm here to remind you that the yearbook club is still looking for members. I know I want to remember this year forever. So you can join and be part of making our memories last a lifetime through good design. And speaking of yearbook, don't forget senior pictures are coming up. So some good tips for taking good photos can be found on the yearbook club website at... Okay. Well, okay. Thanks.
I guess she doesn't care what anyone thinks about her.
Look, we're all feeling a little off right now. I know I am. But I also know, and I know you aren't either. And if it ever feels like that, come find me. Seriously.
He's connecting. It's working. I mean, Trish is happy. Like, genuinely. I mean, I don't want to be Rosa's best friend or anything, but maybe she's kind of interesting.
In conclusion, maybe the rock will hit us, and maybe probably it won't. But either way, we will still have each other. Kind of. Okay, and that's my perfectly crafted plug for the big dance. So, end of the year, mark your calendars, prep your moves. That's it for me. You've been great, Volcano High. Please don't post any videos of this, like, anywhere ever. Thanks.
Yeah! Woo! There's Trish. And Rosa. Hey.
Oh, hey!
The speeches were... what did you think?
I was super distracted. Rosa got me thinking about how cute it would be if Mango had babies. Oh, can you even?
Ha! I bet you'd love that.
Okay, no. I just said that I think gastropod mating season happens like every other month.
Oh shit, Fang, you know Rosa, right?
Mm-hmm. Hey.
Worm drama. I heard you got an audition. That's huge.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be amazing. No big deal. Oh, hey, did I tell you what Mango stole this morning?
Okay, not to be weird, but that speech was like amazing.
Not weird. Do you have
eyes? Nasser can get it.
Don't see it.
That's my husband you're talking about.
Hey guys! I forgot to mention it at assembly, but the Young Engineers Club has some openings for new members.
Oh yeah? What kind of thing do y'all do?
Well, on Thursday we'll be dissecting a frog. A robotic frog.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, and it'll look good on college applications, so the more the merrier.
Wait, I thought you were gonna be a physician, though.
I mean, I am. Engineering is basically just surgery for machines.
Totally.
Anyway, okay, bye.
So what's the deal with Miss Robot Frog and Nasser? Are they a thing, or?
Naomi? Nah.
Oh my god, you're obsessed with him! You know what you should do? You should do a tarot reading about it.
Who says I haven't? What did it say? Drew the lovers, no big deal.
Oh, I love that card!
Hey!
Hello?
Listen, I need you to be honest with me. Completely honest. Okay?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Nasser ran off to do, I don't know, Nasser things.
Right, yeah, he does that.
But I need someone to tell me how I did today at the auditorium. Honestly.
Right. Honestly. I'm not really the best person to ask, but it seemed fine to me. You managed to not completely embarrass yourself, outside of being up there in the first place.
Oh, thank God. I was sort of freaking out.
Listen, whatever anybody thinks, you got up on stage and everybody listened to you. That's a lot more than a lot of musicians could ask for, so that's a win in my book.
Thank you, Fang. Really. Go team!
I mean, so everything is gonna be, like, flattened, right? Squish, stuck to the bottom of a rock, like we're just gum or something.
I mean, wherever it makes impact, yeah.
If it makes impact.
Right. So then everything else will just explode into dust? All those cars in the parking lot. And all the straw wrappers and sunglasses and little air freshener things inside the cars.
Did you just write a poem?
Shut up. You really aren't thinking about it? The big kaboom?
Not really. There's so much we don't know yet, right? Gotta just control what we can until we know more.
Zen.
I guess.
Which is why we are gonna absolutely nail this audition. That's like the one thing we can control right now. To live the lives we've always dreamed of, no matter how long we have left. And doing it on our terms, with our songs and our hard work. Like, sure, this meteor might kill us all, but wouldn't it actually feel worse to blow our shot? I don't want to live like that. And if LJ hates our stuff, that's exactly what's gonna happen. So we just gotta do it.
Practice.
Well, yeah, but that's not what I meant.
Play our songs good?
Yes, our songs. She wants something new, remember? But we can't do that before the audition, so we have to just rework an old song. The back catalog. Okay, here are our options. First up, everyone's favorite, Puke Factory. My Mother is a Robot, Beep Boop. Oh my god, these titles. And last but not least, Get Bent, Jimmy Two-Face. Well, what do we think? What's your favorite?
Get Bent, Jimmy Two-Face. That song gives me all the feels. In a good way now, though.
My mother is a robot. Beep, boop.
Great, no consensus. I guess we can go with... Get Bent, Jimmy Two-Face.
Yeah, that guy still sucks.
So, it needs a new name. What else? Different key, new hooks.
So wait, to redo the whole song in like a few days? Dude, no way we can do that.
But we have to.
And I also have to go to school and babysit and study and not fail my classes.
Me too. Not babysitting, but, you know, a job.
Yeah, this is like an extreme makeover. I don't know if we can pull it off. Maybe we just don't?
No, okay, just let me think. I will figure this out. I have my MIDI controller, and I can make it so your part isn't that different.
Ooh, MIDI magic.
Sick.
I'll make it work, I promise. Trust me?
Just give me my little part, and I'll be there.
Okay. Cool. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be great. MIDI controller. MIDI controller.
Are you cleaning? I feel faint.
I'm just looking for something.
Oh, I thought this was all a highly specialized management system. Or that's what I've heard you scream at Mom for years anyway.
It is.
So, big audition coming up. How are you feeling about it?
Good. Totally fine. Why?
No, nothing. Just asking. I used to get really nervous before every debate tournament, you know? But Naomi taught me this great meditation. I can teach it to you sometime.
I'm good, thanks. I'm kind of busy working on songs, actually.
Would you ever be a solo act?
What? No way. Worm Drama is a band.
Interesting. That must be weird though, right? Like sharing something like that with other people. I mean, everyone thinks you're some mysterious rebel, but you actually have a really tight crew.
Who thinks that about me?
It's your brand, your whole thing. I don't know. The band is special. I just think it's cool that you have that. I'm gonna go shoot hoops with my sports band.
Generic black sock numbers are probably still good. Oh, old logo sketches. Would unfold this. Something mightier than the sword. Oh god. This thing probably has mold no one's ever... Should probably go in the... Yes!
worth it all.